y'all. Y'all, I finally got some of the oval boards in. I've never played with one before, so I figured, you know, I would try my first one with you guys. Y'all, have y'all used the oval wreath frame yet? Seems like there's a lot of holes. So let's get started on these. All right. So I'm gonna alternate from the inside two to the outside two, all the way around. So we made it all the way around the board. Inside, outside, all the way around. 10 on the outside, 10 on the inside. So 20 total. All right, so y'all, I'm gonna do 10-inch poofs around the inside, just like I would if I was using a regular frame. All right. So we're just gonna add these all the way around. What kind of mesh is this? This would be, so this is a really old mesh. This would have been called a heavy foil. All right, so that's with our 10-inch mesh going right around the inside. Y'all, now we're gonna cut some ruffles. Let's just do 20-inch ruffles. We need 10 cuts at 20 inches. All right. Curl, curl, and then ruffle down the middle. And then we're gonna add one of these ruffles to every twist. I'm gonna go to the outside first and then make it back around. Honestly. All right, so we're just alternating the two ruffles. Honestly, I'm not even paying attention to which way. It looks like, just looking at them, some are up, at least two are facing down. All right, now we're gonna go around the inside. I am not opening up the ties, I'm just adding it right in. This one is gonna be perfect for this. That little card's like, you don't see me. All right, gonna work this pipe cleaner through one of the holes up here. And one this way. Okay, so you guys can see on the back, I went through 2 different holes on the frame. Now, once we add our bow and we start filling in and we make sure that's exactly where we want it, then I'll secure it a little bit better. All right, let's make a bow. All right, give it a good pinch. All right, last one, a little center loop. All right, gonna wrap that pipe cleaner right around our bow here. And tie it off. All right, look how pretty our bow is. All right, now I want to get our oversized bow down here to fill in this area. All right, so I went through I'll show you, but I went around the outside of the frame and then I went through one of the loops. So I went around the outside and through one of the holes, and I went on the outside because I wanted to be able to pull the bow up towards his little face. Now we're gonna dovetail. All right, looking cute so far. Y'all, now we need to get some tails on here. All right, let's cut 9 of these. The tails I'm cutting at 12 inches. We're gonna do 9 of these. All right, 9 more of this one. All right, so we're gonna take 2 of our ribbons and we're just gonna add these into every twist tie. I say every twist tie, but we're gonna check around the frame. This is what I learned on the first one. It's too tight. See how it's clumping my ribbon up together? I'm actually gonna cut 2 of them out. And I'm just gonna leave 1 ribbon tail in that twist. And I'm gonna alternate now to one of the 1.5 inch and use 1.5 inch in the next twist. So instead of putting 2 ribbons in every twist, we're gonna try 1. See how now our ribbon has enough space to, we'll call it breathe, like it can spread out a little bit and it's not just looking like a bundled mess. All right. I don't think you need to add any type of support. It's not gonna break. Like, you can hang it, shake it. It's just if you hold, like if I just hold it right here and I pick it up, it's gonna bend. That's all. But like, it's not gonna. Y'all, in the other warehouse, I literally took one and I did like this with it to make sure that it wasn't gonna break, and nothing happened.